Sir, birthday ko sa ano, linggo ba? Hindi ako maganda eh. So, what's in your bag, Mare? Here's my Mare. Lapit ka dito. What's in your bag?
Ano nga?
What's in your bag? Okay, what's in my bag? We have primer, contact lens solution, magnetic power bank. I have what they call this? AirPods. I also have my, it's alcohol actually. What's more? I have my pabango. My katingko. It's very important. It's essential actually. And I also have this kind of, what they call this? A glitter. A towel in case that napupo ako. That is. And I also have my pink, instant pink blush cream. It's a blush cream. And also I have, last but not least, the Fisherman. It's an out essentials. And last, the contact lens storage. And last, syempre, hindi mawawala yung money. I have my cash. How about yours?
I have a lip tint.
Do you have lip tint? Can I have that?
I have a wallet. Nandito yung pera ko. So, I have a pouch of makeup.